My pleasure.
Bright morning to everyone, and thank you to our media and content creator friends for joining us today. It's always a privilege to see everyone join us whenever we hold these kinds of conferences. And so, as we launch our newest product, Sun Life Save and Protect, I'm privileged to introduce you what we have in store. Now, this year is actually a milestone year for Sun Life. I'm not sure if everyone knows this, but Sun Life has been in the Philippines for 130 years, older actually than the Philippine Republic. And it is actually a testament to our enduring commitment to be every Filipino's partner for life. But today is not just about looking back, but it's also moving forward as we aim to innovate and serve Filipinos with purpose, giving them access to a brighter future that they can enjoy with their families. And so, while we were doing this, we said, how do we best serve them? How do we ensure that Filipinos become more interested about life insurance? And so, we took inspiration in the questions that we got from our social media pages. If you go to the life insurance pages, you would see, mostly in Sun Life Philippines pages, these were the kinds of questions that they would be actually asking. So what were the questions that we were getting in our life insurance page? Most of the questions will be how, HM po, ano po bang magandang product para sa someone who's just starting? Or, if I get an insurance product, if nothing happens to me, may makuha ba ako dyan? So these were the common questions and common concerns that we've actually seen in our social media pages. And so, while we were looking through these questions, a recent study by the Philippine Life Insurance Association revealed the same thing. No? What were these insights and findings? 90% of Filipinos actually consider insurance very important, with 60% of them actually saying na essential siya, it's a necessity. However, they're encountering so many challenges. One of their challenges is that they have not started thinking about it after the pandemic. So, nagkaroon ng less urgency to buy a life insurance product after the pandemic. And this was because, of course, they will be prioritizing their usual day-to-day expenses. And so, life insurance took a backseat. However, they know that this is important. They know that they need it for proper financial planning. But their main consideration was, it should be something that fit their lifestyle, it's affordable, and it's something that will also give them peace of mind. And so, looking at these insights, we thought, how can Sun Life help? How do we best serve Filipinos? And this gave us the inspiration as we were developing this new product. Because clearly, there is a need for a starter type of insurance product. One that would provide Filipinos with the benefits that they are wanting, but at the same time can fit their budget and is something that is affordable. And of course, a life insurance product, its main benefit really is ensuring that their families have financial security and they will enjoy peace of mind. In the Philippines, we're currently actually seeing what we call a demographic sweet spot. Now, what is this? It's a very unique phenomenon wherein Gen Zs and millennials are starting to enter the workforce. And what it means is that they've started to earn their money and they're starting their financial journeys. This is an opportune time as we equip them with tools, information, and resources that can make them feel confident in making those financial decisions so they can be inspired to take action. However, the question still remains. What are the findings as we zero in on the Gen Zs and the millennials? A while ago, I shared with you what we've seen, general insights about Filipinos. Now we zero in on Gen Zs and millennials. For Gen Zs and millennials, their priority is to build multiple sources of income. And this is so because they wanted to achieve their financial goals faster. Apart from that, younger generations also struggle to stay within their budgets. O, nasan ba ang mga Gen Zs dyan? Diba? Totoo ba to? And the reason for this is it's not because they don't have a source of income, but mostly because they're balancing their needs in the present, but at the same time, they're already thinking about the future and thinking how can they best balance both. Apart from that, apart from budgeting and balancing the needs for the present and the future, their priorities are very clear. They really know what they want. They want something affordable. It has to have payment flexibility, and at the same time, it will give them peace of mind so that they can go after their bigger dreams. And looking at the different generations, we actually revealed another insight. Gen Zs are actually falling behind in terms of feeling financially secure. And this is understandable kasi they're just starting with their financial journey. Of course, unlike the other generations like millennials and probably the Gen Xers who are more established in their careers, they've gotten the hang of actually budgeting, looking after their finances, and ensuring that their goals are very specific. And of the other generations, of course, boomers feel the most confident and secure. And this is because they've already established those foundations and have been taking care well of their finances. And so as we continue to dig deeper into the Gen Zs and what their psyche is, we saw another insight. And this was, Gen Zs feel the most isolated in terms of making financial decisions. They're hesitant to consult. They're hesitant to ask. They are not empowered to take the financial action. While they have all of the resources they need, they still need guidance and support. And so this is where Sun Life aims to help. Because aside from providing them with resources to learn about personal finances and how one can actually chart their financial futures, we also know that there's a product that can address this particular need. And so, with the right resources, we think the Gen Zs can feel confident to take action. They want to be able to establish their independence. They want to have financial freedom. They want to feel financially stable. However, they remain anxious about the future. And their main question, can I afford it? And so with this big question, Sun Life has an answer. Today, I'm revealing to you that answer. Play video, please.
Insurance and protection at Pang Savings in one. Affordable tomorrow, 20 years ka na insured. May money ka na guarantee para yung bukas afford. Sun Life Save and Protect. Get 20-year life insurance coverage plus your money back. Affordable life insurance protection. Talk to Sun Life today.
As we unveil our latest campaign, we thought it was perfect to have Sarah G as the spokesperson for this product. And why is that? Because Sarah embodies the principle of starting with something small, which turned big. And so, she represents the modern Filipino go-getter. Save and Protect, we have all the benefits that are designed with Gen Zs and Millennials in mind. First, affordability. Second, maximum life insurance protection. And third is the benefit that provides them a return of all the premiums that they paid at the end of the 20th year period. And so, as we unveil this new product, why do we think Sun Life Save and Protect is the quintessential adulting must-have. As mentioned, we think that the affordability is one of the crucial benefits of this product. We designed this in mind wherein for as low as 2,500 a month, anyone can actually afford peace of mind. Apart from that, the 2,500 a month is payable in 5 years or 10 years term. They can even charge these premiums against the credit card. Kasi dun sa mga nag-iipon na mga points, di ba, usong-uso yan ngayon sa mga Gen Zs and Millennials, they can actually charge the premiums of their life insurance policy, Save and Protect, against their credit card. The second is the unique feature of giving the money back. What does this mean? It means that the end of the 20-year period or yung coverage period, if nothing happens to the insured, we give back to the insured all of the premiums that they paid. So in essence, covered ka na for 20 years, ibabalik pa namin yung binayad mo. Third, of course, is the maximum insurance protection. For only as low as 2,500 a month, they're covered for 20 times life insurance coverage. And so for those starting out, this is the perfect starter product because it's affordable, at the same time, they can enjoy peace of mind. But we also made sure, as we were developing the product, is to make it simple, wherein there will be lesser questions with regards to the application form, and it's also shorter. Dun sa mga naka-experience ng applying for life insurance product dyan, I understand there are so many questions that are being answered. So for this particular product, we ensure that it's simple and that people, Gen Zs in particular and millennials, can accomplish it hassle-free. Apart from that, of course, the biggest benefit is the peace of mind. Because what we're saying here is that Gen Zs and millennials can start dreaming big because they know they're well covered. Apart from that, we know that Sun Life Save and Protect is the perfect starter product. And as we move forward to what Sun Life has to offer, we also know that Sun Life doesn't just offer products. As mentioned, we've been in the life insurance industry and in the Philippines for 130 years, and we aim to be here for 130 years more. We also have 20,000 advisors nationwide for those who want to start their financial journeys today. They can offer financial needs analysis, do a benefits review, and even guide you through your financial journey. And lastly, we also commit to provide continuing care as our needs evolve and grow. This is our commitment to be every Filipino's partner for life. And as we start their financial journeys, we also aim to be there at the very end. And so, if there's one thing, and before I close, if there's one thing that I'd like to leave everyone with, it's that you can secure your tomorrow without missing out on anything today. With Sun Life Save and Protect, we've made it accessible to every Filipino. So please join us at Sun Life to encourage and empower more Filipinos to build their brighter futures together. Thank you, everyone.